Alright guys, today we are going to be seeing how to place a buy order. There are different types of buy order. We have buy limits, we have buy instant buy order. The buy limit is for you to actually submit your order ahead of the market before the price hits your entry point, or should I say before the market hits your point of interest. You use instant buy to execute your immediate orders. So having said that, I want you to have a look at the setup on your screen right now. You can see we have a buy signal here, and it's actually showing you where to enter from. That first line here is pointing that 0% mitigation according to our training, and then the next line is 100% mitigation, and the third line here is a point of invalidation. So we always want to enter at 80% mitigation. That means close to the 100% mitigation. You can see that this very price has actually crossed the 0% mitigation and going in, it's mitigating inwardly into the area of interest properly up to almost touching the 100% mitigation. So at that point, you can set your buy limit for you to pick the order at 80% mitigation, or you might just want to enter immediately right now because it's already in the area of interest and do an instant buy. So whichever one you choose, I'm going to show you how to implement that on your MT5. So I've already done my buy limit orders on my MT5, but I'm going to show you how I did that. So you can see that my buy, I entered at the 80% mitigation, and then I also placed my stop loss at the point of invalidation, and then my TP at the next supply zone. All right, so let me show you how I did that. So comparing to this our order, you can see the point. Our entry point at 0% mitigation is 0.5116, but we are going to be choosing something lesser than that because I am trusting that the market will come to the 80% mitigation. That is about 0.509 something. So now let's see how I place that on here. So if you want to place buy limits, you will just click this, and then you see something will pop here. Whatever that pops here, if it does not show what you want, although this is showing my buy limit, but if it does not show what you want, you can tap the option. It should show you several limit options. So for the buy limit, you then place you can drag the limit to the entry point, and then your stop loss, you drag it to point of invalidation, and then your take profit, you take that to the next supply zone. You can see after you have done that, then you click this blue arrow. That's like this blue arrow is representing enter. So you enter it, and then after that you place. You can see these parameters. These parameters now are the parameters that your line has brought out for you. You can also enter them digitally without using the line. I will show you how to do that in the next screen. So if you want to enter it instantly without using buy limits, you can actually click this. All right, if you click this now, you could just place your buy. So let me reduce the lot size, so you can just place your buy just like this. By doing so, you have placed an instant buy order. All right, but you need to set your stop loss and your take profit. So you just click on it. If you tap on it, you can see your stop loss and then drag it down. Then your TP, you also tap it, you drag it up, and then you see this enter, you click it, then you click on modify. So that is one way. Another way to do it is, first of all, make sure that your chart is on the market that you want to trade. Okay, then you come to trade, then you click plus. So with this plus now, you will now put your stop loss if you have memorized your stop loss already. So let's check the stop loss that we used for this order. We used 0.50922. all right, so you go there and do 0.50922, and the take profit is 5164, about that. So you just go there and then do trade, do plus, and then you do stop loss 0.50922, then take profit something like this. Okay, choose your lot size. All right, so I'm going to be using 0.01 for illustration, and then you click a buy. So you can see So this way you have entered the market. So if you now think that your parameters are not well set, so you can still change a few parameters, which is stop loss and TP. You can't change your lot size anymore once you enter, unless you want to take losses and just reduce it and close at loss. All right, so let's say I want to change the buy. So let's say I want to change the take profit, because I can see here my take profit is 0.5164. so I just come here and change and click modify position, then I change to 64. Can you see that? So I change to 0.5164, then modify. So we can see now how to place our order. Either you are using limit order or instant order. I already have 2 instant order going on in the market here. I chose this instant order because it's already in my area of interest, so it is a very minimal risk for me. At the same time, I also place a buy limit because I believe that the market might still come to the 80% mitigation. So whichever one you choose, I would advise that always place orders that will reduce your risk. So it's better to place order that will be picked at 80% mitigation, or if you are doing instant order, let the market reach your price at 80% mitigation first before you do your instant order. So that way you'll be able to manage your risk exposure in the market. Our expectation is to go with something juicy in the market. All right, so if you love this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video, comment. If you have any question, please drop it. We'll do well to look at it and do a video on any area you are not clear with, or any area that you might need more knowledge. Thank you very much. See you some other time.